Hey there, Kaz here today, and we're gonna jump into a kind of different case study. So this is in the food and grocery industry. It's an interesting client because they had a massive issue with retention, in the sense of, their revenue was very sizable. Last 90 days had 305k pounds. That's, over $400,000. And which is pretty sizable again for a food space industry, because they tend to be more focused on repeat purchases. But these guys had a really big problem with repeat sales, with retention ultimately. What do I mean by that? Customer return rate was only 4%. So email revenue was almost basically at zero for perspective. What we ultimately managed to do is achieve 37% of total revenue from Klaviyo in the last quarter for these guys. That worked with flows, generating an extra 7% via new customers, abandoned cart, all that kind of stuff, and then campaigns where we targeted everybody that was a previous existing customer and got them to return back. And so we managed to generate an extra 31% in revenue, which is huge, in helping them with their retention problem. Getting those kind of repeat customers come back over and over again. These guys are of course based in the UK, so if it was US it'd probably be in bigger numbers, right? Size of audience, etc. But it was a very interesting project nonetheless, in an industry that we at the time they had not worked in that much, but now we have a very sizable amount of experience under our belt in that space. So if you'd like to make this your campaign, reach out to us below and we'll take it from there. Cheers.